Hi, I'm Naomi with the Naomi Butler Show, and this is actually part 2 of fixing a tear on the canvas. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the back of this canvas. This is where, I may turn the phone around. Hold on one second. Nope, not going to work. Okay, I put the glue on the back of this canvas, and it has sat quite a while. It is now hard and cured. And what you didn't see me do after that is to put the glue on the front. And so here's what I have to show you. This is the area. So hard to do it like this. All right, this right here is the area that I put the glue on the front. And I'm going to try to show you as close as I can, because there's a tear right there that you can see on the front. And so I put that same glue after it had cured on the back. I put it on the front in a larger area than the tear. And I'm going to raise this up and show you something, because I've got the lights on and you can see. I'm going to lean this up against my computer and you can see the light through that hole. If I cover it with my hand, it's not as light, but there is light through there, so there is a hole. Now, after letting the back cure and the front cure, I would say they only need to cure after using this E6000 glue probably for 2 or 3 days each. But I'm one of those, I want to make sure, so I've let it cure for a while, plus I've been busy. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take the front of this where this tear is, and I'm going to put some gesso over this. Now, I have not varnished this painting, but because of that glue, and you can even see that it darkened that area, I'm going to put a little gesso, because you can paint over gesso even if it was varnished. I had one that had a tear and it had some varnish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some gesso and actually put it more than the area of the glue, and then let that dry. And then I'll probably put another coat of gesso on it. Let it dry really good, because you don't, unless you want the crackle look like I talked about in one of the other videos, I don't want to put any paint on it till that gesso dries really good. And it'll dry quick. I mean, I could even talk to you today and just get into painting, but what I wanted to show you is after you have the glue on both sides, then you can gesso the front where you had the glue, let it dry. I like to put 2 coats of gesso, let it dry really good, and then you can paint. Now, my challenge is going to be to try to find the colors to match all of that area as close as I can, and I will do my best. But because it's abstract, I might even change and not have a rest area in between here. I might connect these two with some of these brighter colors. Who knows what I'll end up doing, but I just wanted to show you that. So once I get through painting over this, then I can varnish it. This painting has not been varnished, like I said, and that was good. That was a better situation. But even if I had varnished it, I could still do this very thing. And then gesso, and then when I got through painting, then varnish that area, and even varnish maybe a bigger area around it. I hope that helps. And I know this is a process to fix a tear in a canvas, but this is the way I do it, and it's worked. And this painting, once I repaint over those areas, And then I need to paint the sides. I paint them a solid black, do my normal stuff, wire and certificate, and sign the back of the painting, which I'm going to show you in another video about using Pitt pens to sign the back of your paintings. Anyway, when I get through, because this has damage to it, I will sell this at a reduced price. And I have not even finished it. I've been working on some paintings for a while. Because of my health, I haven't finished some, so I'm working on trying to get some of these finished and ready to sell. And this one will be at a reduced price. I haven't figured that out yet, but I will soon. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Hope it helps. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.